Question number 1. The capital of Cambodia is. Correct answer is option B, Phnom Penh. Question number 2. The capital of Ghana is. Correct answer is option C, Sara. Question number 3. National poet of Pakistan is. Correct answer is option C, Allama Iqbal. Question number 4. Iran lies to the dash of Pakistan. Correct answer is option D, southwest. Question number 5. China lies to the dash of Pakistan. Correct answer is option C, north. Question number 6. India is located in the dash side of Pakistan. Correct answer is option A, east. Question number 7. Lahore is the city of. Correct answer is option C, Egypt. Question number 8. King of which country abdicated in favor of his son? Correct answer is option C, Spain. Question number 9. Windhoek is the capital of. Correct answer is option B, Namibia. Question number 10. Which city served as capital of Kazakhstan till 1997? Correct answer is option A, Almaty. Question number 11. Bermuda Triangle is located in. Correct answer is option C, North Atlantic Ocean. Question number 12. Black Lives Matter movement started on. Correct answer is option B, 2013. Question number 13. Which is known as Asia's version of Nobel Prize? Correct answer is option B, Roman Magsaysay Award. Question number 14. World Elder Abuse Awareness Day is celebrated on. Correct answer is option C, June 15. Question number 15. World Day Against Child Labor is observed on. Correct answer is option C, 12 June. Question number 16. The currency of Portugal is. Correct answer is option D, Euro. Question number 17. The headquarters of EFTA is in. Correct answer is option B, Geneva. Question number 18. The first Asian Secretary General of United Nations was. Correct answer is option B, U Thant. Question number 19. The headquarters of UNESCO is in. Correct answer is option D, Paris. Question number 20. The headquarters of International Labour Organization is in. Correct answer is option A, Geneva. Question number 21. The headquarters of UNHCR is located at. Correct answer is option B, Geneva. Question number 22. Which animal appears on the World Health Organization WHO logo? Correct answer is option B, snake. Question number 23. When is Global Day of Parents celebrated? Correct answer is option A, June 1st. Question number 24. When is the World Bicycle Day observed? Correct answer is option B, June 3rd. Question number 25. In which year did the UN General Assembly declare June 3 as World Bicycle Day? Correct answer is option C, 2018. Question number 26. The United Nations Command was established in. Correct answer is option B, 1950. Question number 27. Author of With the Quaid-e-Azam during his last days. Correct answer is option B, Ilahi Baksh. Question number 28. Author of In the Line of Fire. Correct answer is option C, Pervez Musharraf. Question number 29. Which port city is called the Queen of the Arabian Sea? Correct answer is option C, Kochi. Question number 30. Treaty about the fragmentation of the Ottoman Empire. Correct answer is option C. Treaty of Serbs. Question number 31. Friedrich Hegel was. Correct answer is option B. Philosopher. Question number 32. How many countries in the world have glaciers? Correct answer is option C. 50. Question number 33. Uncle Urfi drama aired in 1972 was written by. Correct answer is option C. Hasina Moin. Question number 34. Carthage is a city of. Correct answer is option B. Tunisia. Question number 35. Who was Cleopatra? Correct answer is option C. Ruler of Egypt. Question number 36. Which sea is referred to as an oceanic desert? Correct answer is option B. Sargasso Sea. Question number 37. Headquarters of United Nations Population Fund is in. Correct answer is option B. New York. Question number 38. Jeju Iceland, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in. Correct answer is option B. South Korea. Question number 39. Gulf of Sidra is located in. Correct answer is option B. Libya. Question number 40. The world's fastest manned aircraft is. Correct answer is option B. North American X-15.